चलो सर. So again, very good evening to all of you guys, and I welcome you all to Oliveboard for the live mock analysis of this week's CGL mock. Right? Chalo, so let's start then. Without any delay, sir, let's start. Without any delay, let's start, sir. Acha. Point, sir. First question is based on trigonometry. Now, first of all, how was the mock this time? This week, how was the mock, sir? How was the mock, everyone? How was the mock, sir? It was good. Chalo, let's see. Let's see, sir. आ जाओ sir. Cos 0 degree. अरे sorry. Cos 0 degree, sir. Then cos 120, cos 240. Sir, higher order angles, right? Angles which are not acute. Mock was good. Perfect, Rina. Very good. Chalo. Chalo. Now, cos 120 degrees, sir. In these situations, I've told you in my classes, in the like when we did this associated angles thing, these are called actually associated angles. So what I said, always try your best to go through x-axis. Last axis you cross is x-axis. So I can write this as, if I want to go through x-axis, 180 degree minus 60 degree. 180 degree is x-axis, negative x-axis, sir. 240, sir, I can write cos 180 degree plus 60 degree. Sir, I told you, sir, this is second quadrant, 120 degree. So that is negative cos 60 degree because it's a multiple of 90. Now again, sir, this is third quadrant, sir, 240. So again, that is negative. Cos is positive only on first and fourth. So this is also this. Cos 60, sir, half. This is, sir, half. So minus half, that is minus 1. Cos 0 is, sir, 1. Sir. 1 minus 1 gives you 0. Option C is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Yes, Reena. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir. This is how it works. This is how this question could have been solved, sir. Very simple. Next one, sir. Again, a complementary angle, as I can see. Sir, sine and cos means complementary angles means that these two, the sum of these two angles must be 90. Sir. X plus 2x, 3x. Sir, plus 15 minus 15 gone, sir. Right? So that is 3x is equal to 90 degrees, sir. X is 30 degrees. It was a 10-seconder. Option B is your correct answer. Option B is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Chalo. Next one, sir. Sir, simplification with higher order things. So now, many people, so this is 64 square actually. If you don't know this, no, don't worry, sir. Do not worry, I'm showing you how to solve. So if, say for example, I need to figure out this. Get rid of the last two digits. Hatao. Sir, 40. Sir, 40 is in between the squares of which two numbers? 40 is in between the squares of 6 and 7, right? 6 square and so 7 square is 49. That is 7 square I'm writing. It is 7. Always take the smaller number. So like 6. Now it is ending in 4 means my answer can be 64. But again, sir, it can be 66 as well. So how to segregate? For that, na, you see the middle number of 60s is 65. Always take the square. And any number division like that is ending in 5, taking square is 10 seconds, right? 6 into 7, 42, 25 is this. Now, this number 4096 is less than 4225. If it was root over of 4225, my answer would have been 65. It is less, so my answer will be less than 65, that is 64, not this. So this is 64 plus. This is 8. This much though you should know. Again, sir, 1521, I don't know. Say for example, 1521 is 39. So 1521, if you don't know, sir, chalo, no worries. Same logic, sir. Get rid of last two. So this is between 3 and 4. I'll take the smaller one, 3. 3 square and 4 square. Now, sir, this is 3 square and 4 square. Now, for this, the unit is 1. So, meaning, sir, it can be 31 or 39. Now, you can go with the story of 35 square. 35 square is 1225. But again, what I'm saying, I've given you the rule. Now, giving you rule does not mean you will forget your common sense. So it is close to, just very, very close to 1600. 1600 is 40, like 40 square. So it must be 39, sir. 31 square is 961. We all know this, right? So again, 39 is this. Minus, this is how much, sir? This is 125. All the 4 unit digits are different. So just take unit digits, sir. 8, 4, sir, 2 into 9, sir. That means 8 minus 5, sir. My answer will end in 1 second. 4 and 8, 2 into 9 minus 72 into 9, sir, 8. क्या हुआ, sir? Something is not right. अरे 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 by 3 करना ही भूल गया देखो. Sorry. So this is not, will not be 9. This is 3. So 6 minus 5. It will end in 1, sir. It will end in 1. 811 is the answer. 811. Yes. What happens ना इतने बड़े बोर्ड में ना दिखता नहीं. You guys see it very small. I have to work to this and that. Sir, again, sir. X square plus something plus something. Always divide by the middle power I told you guys. Kar do, sir. So it becomes x square becomes x, 10x becomes 10, 1 becomes 1 by x. 0 becomes 0 only. So x plus 1 by x becomes 10. So this thing becomes, we all know, p cube minus 3p. 10 cube minus 3 into 10. So 970. है क्या ऑप्शन में? Option C, sir. Option C, sir. Option C, 970 is the answer. Very simple question still. Like till now, have not found a question which is very typical, difficult, anything. Very simple questions till now, at least. चलो सर आगे बढ़ते हैं सर. Okay. अच्छा, the value putting approach will not work here. Why? You see why it will not work? Because there are options which is having this, which is having this and this and this. It might work. I'm not saying it should not work. It might work, but again, none of the above be here. So again, we are not too sure. We cannot be 100% sure. Normally ही चलना पड़ेगा. Sir, now, but again, when you do this now, always options are there to help you. Try to figure out a way to use options to your advantage. Sir, x plus y is given. This is also given. So let's see now if I can take common in such a manner that x plus y will remain x to the power 4. And if I take this, you see, if I take from here, if I take x cube common, I am getting an xy. Similarly, sir, figure the same thing out for others. Figure the same thing out, sir, x plus y. X is cube, if I take common, x plus y remaining, sir. Plus anything, xy. So x is there, z cube and sir y z cube. You see, I can take sir z cube common from here, so I'll get x plus y. Anything else, sir? This one and this one, sir. I can take y. क्या common जा रहा है sir? Y cube ना. Y cube I can take common. I can get x plus y. So you see this whole thing I can now take x plus y common. It becomes this. So what I'll say, sir, it is divisible by both this as well as this. Option C will be the answer. Option C again will be the answer, sir. It will be again the answer. But again, please understand the approach here. How I have thought about the question using the options. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, everyone. Hopefully you guys are getting my point. Hopefully it is absolutely clear. Anywhere you get stuck, you don't understand something, just let me know. Just let me know, sir. PA and PB are two tangents to a circle. Okay, P means it is from one particular point only, that is P. चलो सर बनाते हैं सर. So this is one tangent. This is another tangent. So this is P. This is A. This is B. Looks not bad. ठीक ठाक है. Now C is a point. अच्छा touch with center O touching at A and B. हाँ definitely. Definitely sir. काम करो sir. Let me just take this now, the center to a little bit to the left. C is a point on circumference that ACB is 112. Then they are asking PAB. So PAB means I need this. C on the circumference that is ACB. Acha, you understand, sir? If I assume the center to be in this side, so the angle must be on this side because any angle here will be less than 90, sir. Okay, so just take this. This is C. This angle is given as 112 degrees. Acha, sir. Let's do one more thing, sir. Let us do just one more thing. Oh, yeah, yes. It's not a very difficult question. Easy question only, sir. Why? Because we know this is 90, this is 90. Correct, sir? Now, if this is 112 degrees, everyone, so this angle has to be what? Double of this. That is 224 degrees. Then this angle must be how much, sir? This angle must be how much, sir? This angle must be 360 minus this. 360 minus 220 will be 240. 240 से और भी 4 कम कर दो. So 236. 236 degree is this angle. एक सेकंड 136. अरे पागल मैं सोचा इतना बड़ा क्यों हो गया. 136 degrees. Extremely sorry. 136 ना. हाँ जी. चलो ठीक है. 136 degree. Now they are asking this particular angle, sir. They are asking PAB, this angle, sir. Sir, how can I find? You see, very simple, sir. Take the smaller triangle. This is AOB, the small triangle, sir. This is 136. So can you guys tell me what is this angle and this angle? Both are same. Why? Because AO and OBO are same. Because both are radiuses. So this particular angle, it is going to be 180 minus 136. That is how much, sir? 44. 44 degrees. So by 2 will be each side. So that is 22 degrees each. So this angle, sir, total angle 90, sir. This is 22. This angle will be what, sir? It will be, sir, 90 degree minus 22 degree. So 90 minus 20, 70, that is 68 degrees. Answer option C. Bapre. Sara, every option is option C. Every option is option C. We are getting so many option C's. Clear na, sir? Clear everyone? Moving on then. Moving on then. ये क्या है, sir? There is a cylinder with radius 7 and height 20. Also a cone of this. Acha, both have na 7 radius. Perfect. Find the curved surface area. Sum of the curves. Find the curves of both the cylinder and cone together. Sum of the side like this. Arey sir, whenever you get this and sum they are asking. Sir, curved surface area of this cylinder will be a multiple of 11. Can I say? Why? 22 by 7 is pi. So multiple of 11. Sir, here also curved surface area, it is a multiple of 11. So the sum should also be a multiple of 11. Check the options, sir. Not possible, not possible. This is again, sir, option C. There is something wrong with this. Yes, Vigneshwaran, perfect, perfect, brother. Multiple of 11, just check. You do not need to solve. Not every question needs to be solved. Learning is one side, and while we are in the exam like kind of situation, so we will try कि भाई कितना कम करके हम लोग क्वेश्चन को बना सकते हैं. How we can answer the same question without really solving. Now 25,000, 15,000, 6%, 10,000, 8%. Sir, very good. 8% means 6% plus 2%. I've shown you this approach, right? That means 6% interest we are getting in the whole 25,000. So so what will be the answer? 25,000, 6% plus remaining 10,000. This 10,000 will earn extra 2%. Sir. This is for 1 year. They are saying it for 4 years. So into 4. So total simple interest. So 25 6 are 150. 150 sir, right? 1% is this, so 1500, and this is a 2%. 1% is 100, 2% is 1200. So 200. So 1700 into 4, sir. 6800 is the answer. 6800 rupees, 6800. अरे सर हुआ क्या? Everything is C. Everything is C. Yes, Reena. Everything is C. पता नहीं सर क्या हुआ है. Geometry का अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. This also looks a good question. Sir, ABC equilateral triangle. Achha, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay. AD is the angle bisector of angle A. That means this is equal to this. Achha, sir. ABC equilateral means all three triangle angles are 60. So this is angle bisector means 30, 30, sir. Value of EC by CB. EC by CB. So 1:1 लग रहा है sir. 1:1. 1:1, sir. Correct? So this is 90 degree. Why, sir? Please understand. This much is 60 degrees, sir. Because part of ABC triangle. And sir, this angle is 30 means this angle is also 30. Because same, sir, you see. Same sector के ऊपर sir angle है. So this is, now you see, take the biggest triangle, AEB. AEB, sir, this is 30 degree. The total is 90 degrees, 60 degrees. So this is 30. Sir, now you take the small triangle, CBD. This is 30, this is 30. So opposite sides are always equal. 1:1 is the answer. 1:1 is most definitely your answer. Opposite angles are equal. Khatam, sir. Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Sir, there was a continuous increase in which shop during the year 21 to 24? Array, increment, sir. This cannot be the answer. Decrement ho gaya, sir. This is increment, again decrement. No, sir. This increment, sir, answer C. Shop C is the answer. Now, B is the correct answer here. But again, they have, whoever has made this question paper, either like someone he knows, someone he really cares about, their name starts with this C. I'm quite certain now. ठीक है? Yes, Vigneshwaran, perfect brother, perfect, perfect. कुछ तो है C की. ठीक है sir? चलो चलो. Reena, yes, C is the correct answer. Absolutely. Sir, DE parallel BC, AD by DB, 17 by 9. What is DE by, sir? 17 by 9 means, sir. So AD by AB will be how much, sir? So it will be 17 by 17 plus 9, that is 26. So the same thing will be DE by BC or AE by AC. So again, it will be 17 by 26. Option A is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. Reena, very, very good. Very, very good. Chalo, 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 chalo. Baap. Number of male, number of female workers in different companies. Okay. Which company? I don't know the options. I cannot see. Number of male and female workers are maximum. So meaning the total workers. Total workers maximum. Just use a little bit of. Sir, I'll just check this one. I'll not check this because it's too low. I'll check once this one as well. ये दोनों भी नहीं हो सकता. This cannot be because this value is too low. I'll check this. So this is 640. 440, 190 is less than 640. 440 plus 200 will be this. 360, 260, sir. Sir, 500, so 620, sir. ये भी नहीं हो सकता. So answer is option like company 1, sir. Company A, sorry. अरे आजा भाई. Company A, option A is the correct answer. Bisector theorem, last one. Normal हो गया, sir. Normal. Last one, bisector theorem. Yes, that is BPT. Bisector theorem. Vigneshwaran, that is called basic proportionality theorem or Thalas's theorem also. Perfect. So faulty weights. Dishonest dealing question. Dishonest dealing question. Sir, dishonest dealing question, as I have told you guys, There is only one rule, sir. CP and SP को sir ratio निकालो. Always figure out the ratio of CP and SP, sir. Nothing else. Shopkeeper gives a 13% discount on the purchase of 10 kg of sugar. I don't think 10 kg लगेगा. Sugar costs this. Marked price is this. अच्छा sir. Sir, sugar CP is 40. Marked price is 48. But remember, 13% discount is also the way is giving. So, sir, 48, 13% less means 87%. So, this is the SP, sir. Shows a weight of 1 kg. So, sir, 1 kg faulty weight means, sir, he is taking money for 1000 grams, 1 kg, but actually giving us 910 grams. Uske pocket se 910 grams se nikla. So, that means that is a CP. Khatam, sir. Profit percentage. Let's take the compound ratio here, as I told you guys. So this into this you do, na, this 100 cancels. Anything else, anything else, anything else? Bapre. So 5 8s are 40, like 40, 6 8s are this. 9 1. This is 3 say divisible, but I don't think we can do anything. Choro sir. 594 for like 50, 455. And this is sir 18 to 7 sir 480, 7 6 are 42, 522. CP ratio SP. Sir, profit is how much, sir? 455. 522 minus 455, sir. 784, sir. And sir 47. ठीक किया मैंने? नहीं सर, गलत किया, गलत किया. अरे अरे पागल हो गया. Sir, normal करो. So 45 plus 22. Let's do it. Sir, 45 plus 20, 50, like 65. 2 means 67, sir. 67 rupees profit out of this. 67 rupees out of 455 rupees into 100. Sir, 455 ना sir 15% के आसपास दिख रहा है sir. 455, 10% is 45.5. 5% is half of that. That means sir 22.75. So this is 45. This is sir 67 point something. हाँ जी sir. So just less than 15% will be the answer. Just less than 15% will be the answer. Yes, Vignesh, this was a little calculative. This question was a little calculative. But again, you see, what you need to do now when you take mock, just looking at the options. Now, that is giving us idea. You see, these are not any like known values. It's not like you said 14.28. 14.28, say for example, we got. That we know that is not looks like a odd value, but it's not a like a kind of odd value. This we know this is 1 by 7. But all these four, nothing is known here. Meaning the first thing, the idea that you need to take just by looking at this, sir, ye thoda calculative. This question will be a little calculative. So what you do, I'm not asking you to leave the question entirely. These questions we will not do in the beginning. Because in the beginning, now we need to build up the confidence. Beginning of math section, I'm not saying by beginning of the examination. So for that, the more number of questions we can do in the first like 10 like 10 12 minutes, the more confident we get. And तभी जाके ये questions बनेंगे. You're getting my point, na? So exam taking strategy is also something that I'll take a session on YouTube only. Like we'll talk about these things. I've decided. Okay, so every like है मेरे plan में है sir. How to approach mocks, how to analyze mocks, those things. Retailer buys an item, marks it up by 20. Sir, 500, 20% means 1/5, meaning 100 rupees markup. So MP is 600. 25% discount, sir, 1/4. That means 150 rupees discount. So SP becomes 450. Sir. Applies 12% GST, sir. Iska 12%. 10% is 45. 1% is 4.5. So 2% is 9 rupees. So 450 and 9, sir. 54, sir. That is 504, sir. 504 rupees, sir. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Correct? You see, not very difficult. Not very difficult at all, sir. Not very difficult at all, sir. Simple questions we are doing. So partnership. It's one of the chapters where they cannot even ask you difficult questions. बनता ही नहीं है सर, इतना easy chapter. First things first. Zeros हटाओ सर. 30,000, 20,000, everything has at least two, like three zeros ना. Zeros, zeros. अच्छा एक काम करो सर, 4 zeros ही हटा दो सर. 4 zeros. 4 zeros, 4 zeros. Sir, A, B, and C. 10 rupees, 12 rupees, 15 rupees. 3 months. Achha, that means whatever happened for the first 3 months, B withdraw 2 rupees. After 6 months, something, something. A has not mentioned anywhere, meaning A's 10 rupees was there. For annual profit means total 12 months business for total 12 months. What about B, sir? B's money of 12 rupees were there for the first 3 months. Then what happened? Then sir B withdraw 2 rupees. Now his capital is 10 rupees for the rest of the 9 months. After 6 months, C adds 3. So C started with 15 rupees. So his money was there, sorry. His money was there for 6 months. So then next 6 months, what he did? Sir, he added 3 rupees, meaning his thing becomes 18. Khatam, sir. So काम करो 3 से 3 twos are this, 3 twos are this, 3 this 3 fours are this. 2 I can cancel. 2 twos are this. 6, 5, 2, 2. Sir, calculate if we need any calculations, we'll do later on. So 20 ratio, sir. 6 plus 15, 21. Sir, 15 plus 18, sir. So 33, sir. This is the ratio. Total is given. C ka share, sir. C will get 33 parts. Out of total, sir, 33 plus 20, 53 plus 20, 73. 76 parts of 22200. Sorry, 000. कैंसिल होगा क्या? 19 से है ना. 19 ones are 19. 32. No sir, नहीं जाएगा सर. Have we done any mistake? ये रुको भाई. 33, 33, 33. I've not missed anything. Na? 20, 15, 6, 21, 15, 18, 33. 33 plus 41. 33 plus 41. Only I can write this as 40, like 76. इतना बड़ा पागल मेरे को छोड़ के कोई नहीं है सर. सर 17 से ट्राई करो. अच्छा 2 से कर लो सर. सॉरी 37. 2 से सर 2 1 1 1 triple. So 37 threes are this. Only in today's batch, only in some of one of the classes I was saying this. Very important this calculation, this value 37 threes are 111 for the like this non-terminating decimals. Sir, it will be sir 333 threes are 99. 000, sir. Again, love for C is back. Love for C is back. बहुत हो गया, बहुत सारा questions हमने बना लिया where the answer was not C, right? So again it has come back. So option C is the correct answer. अच्छा sir, अच्छा this is a question which was there in our school books as well. If you know what I mean, ये answer ना 1 होता है. Why ABC comes out to be 1? Now I'll say sir आपको पता है, I don't know. चलो don't worry. Is -1. You see this is given, everything is equal to -1. And take this sir, B plus 1 by C. This is also -1. You see how the approach works. Do not do randomly, sir. What is common between them, sir? What is common between them, sir? So B is common. So think about those lines. Let's try, sir. So, sir, A I can write -1 by B. B I can write, or rather I can write this, sir. B is LCM minus B minus 1, sir. Keep it, huh? This is A. Here, sir, I need to write C in terms of B, sir. C, if I write, sir, C will be, sir, 1 by C is -1 minus B, sir. So, like C will be, sir, 1 by this. Correct? Achha, sir. Now, I need A into B into C. Whole cube, sir. This is equal to nothing but this. So let's do now. So A, put the value. A is minus B minus 1 by B, sir, into B into C is what, sir? C is this. 1 by minus 1 minus B. Sir, B cancels, this cancels. So ultimately the answer is 1 cube, that is 1. Perfect, sir, everyone. So again, you see how I thought about this. How did I approach this question? I said, ki bhai dekho, at the end of the day, B is common. So there are 3 variables. Every variable I converted into B. Because here I can convert A and B, may B common, so B and C and B common. Clear, everyone? This was a little tricky question if you don't know how to proceed. How to proceed if you don't know. This might prove a little tricky for a few. Sorry. Option 1. A, B, and C assigned a piece of work. B alone can complete 10 days. C in 12 days. Achha, sir. So efficiency ratio, sir. So 12:10 opposite kar dete, sir. 6:5. B does 6 units, C does 5 units. Total work, sir. B does 6 units, works for 10 days. Total works are 60 units. Total works are 60. Done. Now, A works alone for the first day. From the second day onward, B and C work together for the next 5 days and complete. Sir, always in this situation, start from here. Next, end se start karo. So start from the end. Last 5 days, who had worked? B and C. B and C in one day they do combined 11 units. 5 days mein they have done 55 units. Out of 60 units, 55 units they have done in the last 5 days. So first day mein A ne kitna kiya tha? How much work did A do in the first day? So remaining 60 minus 55, that is 5 units. That is the efficiency of A, sir. In how many days A alone can complete the entire work? Sir, 60 by 5, that is at 12 days. The answer is at 12 days, option number B. Option number B, 12 is the answer. Again, I need answers. Baki log, Reena, Vigneshwaran, why have you guys stopped answers? Stop giving answers. या मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा है? Comments. पता नहीं. A solid cube of cylindrical hole of radius this, volume of the remaining solid, again sir, multiple of what, sir? Multiple, it should be multiple of 11, I guess, but minus hai na, minus hai, 14 hai, solid cube, and this is cylinder. No, minus hai na. No, sorry sir. No. अरे no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. No, it that minus wala thing na nahi hoga, sir. Why? Volume of remaining solid means some solid minus some solid. देखा नहीं था मैंने. Solid cube of 14. Sir, what is the value of like the volume? 14 cube. Cylindrical hole of radius this. But again, please understand, if the whole solid, through whole solid I drill the hole, so it will work. It will go through. The height of the cylinder will be 14. That means the height of the cylinder will be same as the height of the particular object, that is in this case the cube. So it is pi r square h, 22 by 7 into r square is 16 into h is sir 14. हटाओ इसको सर. अच्छा रुको एक सेकंड सर, 1 second सर. सर क्या करेंगे सर? 7 इसको रखो सर, 14 को रखो, बिकॉज 14 I'll take common. बट वही सेम ही आएगा ना. बट स्टिल चलो सर 14 को कॉमन लेते हैं सर. 14 स्क्वायर 196. 22 into like 20 like 16. 16 to the 32. 3 2 3 plus 2 5 7. So do this, sir. It is 2 now. What I've done, I've just taken the LCM and solved this. ठीक है. 196 into 5 into 7, sorry, minus 352. Options भी नहीं मिलेगा. Sir, we have to do, sir. So 200 into 7, sir, 1400 minus 28. 1400 minus 28 means 1372, sir. Minus 352. So this will be 13, this is 3, so this is 1020 into 2 sir, 2040 है क्या? 2040 option C sir again. Option C again is the answer. विकास नहीं भाई, every weekend. But again, every weekend वाला जो schedules है ना, जो live tests. So those like you will get one for like I can say CGL, then NTPC अभी चल रहा है for like till that exam. CHSL है, MTS है. So you have multiple things. Okay, if you solve, say for example, CGL once, CHSL once, NTPC once, so 3-4 marks you will get. Like that too completely free. ठीक है ना? And we try to do the analysis every like after on Monday just say for example I do CGL. Tomorrow Tuesday I'll do the NTPC, then CHSL, and so on and so on. Sir. Perfect. विकास कौन सा वाला भाई? लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन? लास्ट क्वेश्चन you are saying? अरे सर, you are saying the last question will be a multiple of 7. Why? No भाई, नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा. 7 क्यों? 11 हो सकता था, but 11 is not the case. Why? Because it is minus. Minus है ना सर? Okay. Now, sir, it is in center question. I is the in center ABC bisector. Sir. A is this. You don't even need to draw the diagram. The answer will be the inside the triangle that is 90 plus A by 2. 90 degree plus 42 degree. Sir, 132. Sir. If you know what I mean, he will say, sir, that's the answer. And also, sir, the person who is cleverer, they will say, sir, it is a triangle like this. So this is A, this is I, this is B, this is C. Sir, whatever happens, this will be greater than 90. 90 plus something. The options. And this is, it cannot be 96. Why? Because then this angle must be 12 degree. वो तो बहुत छोटा है. नहीं हो सकता. So only possible answer is D. Only possible answer is D. But again, you see, if you have done, this is a one very important, and also this is N center. And if you take this is X center, sir. This angle is 90 minus A by 2, sir. Bahar, if the angle is being made outside, then it is 90 minus. If the angle is made inside, that is 90 plus. Remember this, okay? Remember. Maybe next week you get a question on minus. Sir, expression अरे sir. अरे रुक जाओ. Sir, all the options are here. Tell me one thing. Nothing is given. So let's do one thing. Value putting will be the best approach. Sir, which value? Sine, cos, options may, sir, it will not, like, no options will be the same. If I put, like, just understand 0 and 90 mat put karo. 0 and 90 please don't put, because then this option is 0, this is also 0. You cannot segregate. So better, sir, 45, let's put it here. 45 sine and cos both are 1 by root 2. To the power 6 means 1 by 2 cube, 8. This is also 8 plus 3. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 3 by 4. So this 2 meaning 1 by 4. This means 3 by 4. Answer is 1, sir. Option number B. Option number B is the answer. 68 समझ नहीं आया. चल बताता हूँ. Brother, you see. 68. रुको. 68 number question. This is clear, ना? This is clear. Option A. चलो 68. कौन सा वाला था? Yes, this thing, brother. Vikas, please understand, brother. When you are having minus, na, you cannot really go with that multiple thing. Now here, you told me, sir, 7 ka multiple hoga. I am saying not so much. Why? Please understand. Please understand this. ये जो 14 जो height है ना sir, sorry. 14 जो height है ना sir of the cylinder. 14 जो height है ना sir. So this is 22 by 7 into something r square into h. So ये सर कट जा रहा है, देखो 7 is not there anymore. This itself is, it is not a multiple of 7. So whenever there is division, you have to keep that in mind. You have to check whether it is getting divisible or not. कटी का, अगर कटी गया तो क्या करेंगे? तो मल्टीपल तो नहीं होगा. Clear, brother? Clear, I hope. I hope this is clear. 500-meter track. 500-meter track. Just a second. Perfect. I didn't know what is because no need to thank. A runs this. Acha. Laps, meaning sir, circular track का बात हो रहा है. Because otherwise, in no other track they can have the lapping thing going on, right? So again, चलो इधर से start किया. A and B. Sir, 500-meter track, 5 meters per second, and B 4 meters per second. Okay, ठीक है. A gives B a head start of 100. अच्छा sir. When A is starting from here, B is somewhere here. This is 100 meters. Achha. Now please understand. That means to lap A, like for A to lap B once, they need to move the whole thing. Like A needs to run the whole thing, sir. A needs to run the whole thing. That is, sir, कितना था sir? 500 ना. So that is A needs to run the whole thing, means sir A needs to run 500 meters per lap to lap B once, because B is also running ना. B भी तो छोड़ नहीं देगा. वो भी like दौड़ रहा है. Now again second lapping के लिए sir 500. But sir, initially to lap B, please understand, A needs to go from this point to this point, that is 100 meters more. Right, sir? This is what is given. This is what is given, sir. So this is 1100 meters. Now this lapping will be done how? Through the relative speed, because both the persons are running, both are in motion. So we will say, sir, what will happen? So the time will be, sir, distance by speed. Speed is 5 minus 4. Relative speed. Both are running in the same direction. So answer will be 1100 seconds. Option C. Option C is the answer. Because thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. ये तो I'm only solving, brother. I'm अच्छा. Following bar graph sold by 5 shops in 5 months. ठीक है, sir. Average number of this Y. Sir, average means that this is, अच्छा, first things first. Sir, gap of 20, sir. How many gaps in between? 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning, sir, 4 gaps, 20. Every gap, 5. So this value, sir, 150. This value, sir, 20. This value, sir, 2 less, meaning, sir, 50. This is, sir, 100. This is, sir, 140. Badhiya. Now, always in these situations, what I have said, sir, it's normally क्या करने से better, sir, go by the deviation. Now, I would have like told you something, sir. What is the assume mean you will take na? In the assume mean method? Will the biggest like kind of giveaway is there in the options. Option देख के मत पता चल जाएगा कि what should you take. I can only see one option ना. चलो, let's take this as assume mean. Please understand, it does not matter what your assume mean is. If you don't take something else, it won't matter. You will get the same answer still. Sir, 150. How much more, sir? Sir, deviations I'm writing plus 60. अच्छा, इधर लिखते हैं. Plus 60. 20 is how much less than 90, sir? Minus 70. 50, sir? Minus 40. 100, sir? Plus 10. 140, sir? Plus 50. बढ़िया. Sir, minus 70, this is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 10 plus this concept plus 10 is the answer. So plus 10 is the deviation. So what will be the answer? As you mean, deviation is positive, plus 10 divided by deviation will equally get distributed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 months. So answer to your question will be 92. The average will be 92, sir. Vikas, I like take classes on a regular basis every day, apart from Saturdays and Sundays on this channel. And if you want to join the courses, you have to join the uh, like SSC English medium batches, you have to buy. In that case, you must buy the super elite package. So I've just one batch had started from today only. I've taken only 2 classes in the morning. So I take 2 classes in every batch every day, apart from Sundays, 6 days a week, 12 classes every week. So super elite. We have just launched the crash course. If you are planning for the SSC this year, the crash course we have launched, and super elite में you will get the access of my foundation courses and everything. सब कुछ आपको मिलेगा भाई, ठीक है? But again, I take classes only on English medium, not Hindi medium, because honestly speaking, I am not very comfortable in Hindi. ठीक ठाक, I can speak, I can definitely say a few things, but not 100% comfortable. Why? Because I am a Bengali person. ठीक है? I am from Kolkata, so मेरे को आता नहीं है फिर. ठीक है? Because the coupon codes are there, the sale is going on, 55 or something percent off is there. Okay, you don't need to put any other coupon code of my personal coupon code or something. The website coupon code will only give you the highest maximum discount. Just wait for the end. I'll show you where you find the coupon codes and everything. Don't worry. Just दो चार questions ही बचे sir. Two boats, A and B, opposite banks, 72 km wide. They are running they are kind of moving towards each other. Right? A has a speed of 10 km/h in still water. B has a 8 km. Sir, you will say, sir, stream is 2 km/h. That is the most useless information. If you know, in my foundation courses, I've shown you, I've proved you this. कि भाई देखो, let's say one boat is going like this, another boat is going like this. The stream is flowing in this direction. So this is, say for example, x1 is the speed of this boat and x2 is the speed of this boat in still water. And the stream is y. So it will be x1 plus y, because it is going down downstream. It is going upstream, so it will be minus y. Now, sir, both the boats are moving up in opposite direction. Relative speed is plus. Once you do plus, y cancels. So relative speed may you do not need to even know the y, or even which direction is upstream, which direction is downstream. There is no role of stream. ये stream वाला जो line दिया है ना sir, this entire line is there to confuse you. ये line चाहिए ही नहीं. We don't even need this line. So we'll say क्या होगा sir? Sir, total distance is 72 divided by relative speeds are 10 plus 8 are 18. So answer is sir 4. 4 hours you'll be needing. That is option number C. That is option number C. Okay, Vikas. Yeah, in that case, please, you will find the links vagera in the description section of this video. Okay, and you can definitely go and purchase. I'll show you. Just give me a couple of minutes. हो ही गया ये. Average number of toys in 3 shops PQR is 80 in a particular month. Okay, average number of toys. Shop Q sells twice this. Okay. Achha, shop Q sells twice and shop R sells thrice of the items that P. Achha, sir. Sold items in these three, sir. You see, shop Q is twice. So if this is 1, this is 2. And shop R is 3, meaning if this is 1, this is 3, sir. Ratio is 1, ratio 2, ratio 3. That shop P sells during that month. Okay. The average of unsold toys is 60, sir. The number of toys sold by shop P. Sir, total stock, this is total number of toys is 80. The 80 average is given. So total will be, sir, into 3. There are 3 shops. That is 240 items. Over here, sir, unsold toys 60, sir. So again, that is also given as average. So total unsold toys will be this 180, sir. So sir, how many toys were sold? This much was there, this much gone unsold. So that means minus kar do, sir. 60 toys were sold in this ratio, sir. Sir, shop P, they are asking one part ka value, sir. Sir, shop one part was sold by P out of 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 parts. So how many shop toys, sir? 10 toys. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer, sir. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Chalo sir, last question of the day. Last question of the day, sir. A shop has 1200 items. Sir, बिल्कुल percentage का question. Shop has 1200 items, sir. Day one, 30% got sold. Sir, 30%, 312 is 360. 360 items got sold. Now, 25% of the remaining, meaning, sir, I need to calculate. So, 1200, say, sir, 300 minus kar do, 900 minus 60, sir, 840. This much remaining, 25% means 1/4. So, 1/4 got sold here. So, that means 210 got sold. Achha, on day two. So, day three, mein, sir, 20% of the original items got sold. Achha, we don't need anything. So, total, sir, 1200. 20% of that is 1/5. 1/5, na, sir. Or rather, you can do, so 12 twos are 20, 24. So 240 items got sold. Sir, remaining unsold items they're asking. Percentage of origin. Sir, how many got sold, sir? 360 got sold here, 240. Total take, you see, some also you take in a good manner. 360 plus 240 gives you 600. Plus, sir, 210, sir, 810. It got sold. So that means 390 items did not get sold out of 1200, sir. Into 100 is the answer. Percentage they're asking. Baapre. Sir, this is 30% is 360. 30, it's a, 36, 3, 32 point something. 32 point something is option number B. Option number B, sir. Khatam, sir. Khatam, sir. Option B, the C is your correct answer. Perfect, everyone. So that was our mock for the day. That was our CGL mock for the day. हो गया. But again, this was not a difficult thing, difficult kind of paper by any means. Couple of questions were there, which was good, you can say. But again, if you are preparing, you should always expect such type of questions. Yeah, आएगा. SSC also will give you a couple of questions. That you see, those are your selection questions. Easy questions तो सब लोग बना लेगा. Everybody will do the easy questions. You must understand at the end of the day, those 2-3 questions, that is what will make the difference. But again, before you go and attempt those, first you try to attempt the basics, complete the basics with 100% accuracy. Then if you have 5, 10, 15 minutes left, you won't have generally more than 10 minutes. So in those 10 minutes, like, give the proper time to those difficult questions that it deserves. And banega 50 out of 50 is the only target in SSC, like in CGL tier 1 in mathematics I'm talking about. Perfect, sir. Yes, Reena, that is something not right. You have to screen the questions first. Invest 1 minute for screening, and that might give you like kind of 5 times in return. ये बहुत important है, sir. ठीक है? Now another thing. So if you guys so Vikas was asking, sir, you can go just to this SSC Super Elite for English and English. So English medium, if you go, okay, there now, just whatever what you will get for that, please download this particular schedule, course schedule PDF, and I'm just giving you hint what you will get if you want. So you will get access to all the foundation batches that are currently running and that were that we have done in the past year, past 1 year. You will get access to the crash courses. The crash course we have just started. We have just started, starting from today only. आज ही से हमने start किया. You will get access to the practice courses. A few we have already like launched, and the few we are going to launch in the next coming days as the SSC calendar. So those are in pipelines. Once this crash course is over, so we'll launch the practice course for your like better practice. And also, last but not the least, you will get some revision courses from our end as well. Apart from these, you will get access to the mock test, the PYQs. Okay, so everything is included in this package. This is kind of the one-stop solution for all your needs. Perfect. So again, if you want to join, this is the like the best course to like best package to join. Okay, now and for Vikas wanted. Vikas, no worries, anytime. Now, if you Vikas, if you want to purchase, this is the offer that is currently running. You can check out the offers from here. Okay, like what all is included and not included. Every details you will get over here. Perfect, sir. So that was it for the day from my end. So again, I hope you guys have liked this class, like the approaches. I will like definitely see you guys again with like tomorrow at the same time of 5 p.m. with the NTPC mocks. We'll discuss, we'll learn like what like we can do shortcuts, what normal approaches we can take. Perfect. So again, thank you so much. I hope you've liked it. If you have, please do hit that like and share this particular session. So I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. Till then, again, please take care and bye bye from my end. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.